Welcome to this tutorial video. In this course, we will guide you step by step on how to use topic model tools. Let's try it together. Enter the Design tool. There are two methods here. Method 1. Click on the model in the left column. Select Popular. Then click on Trending. Past model topics are all here. You can use the filters above to find the model topics you want. You can also slide the mouse to select the desired model topic. Then click on the required model, drag and drop it into the apartment layout. You can move your mouse cursor over the model you are interested in. Then click the star icon at the top left corner of the model to add it to your favorites. Make it easier to find the model faster next time. Method 2. Go to the Coohom homepage and click on 3D models. Model Library. Then click on Featured Model at the top right corner. Past model themes are here. You can click to enter the model spotlight you want and start selecting your favorite models. You can move your mouse cursor over the model you are interested in. Then click the star icon at the top left corner of the model to add it to your favorites. You can also click on the model to enter the product details page. Here you can view model information or jump to the design workspace to start designing. That's all. Thanks for watching.